Do you want to speak English confidently in everyday life? Imagine ordering coffee, greeting new people, or asking for help, all in natural English without hesitation. In today's episode, Tom and Emma will teach you daily conversations you must know to sound like a real English speaker. Get ready to listen, repeat, and start speaking English naturally, starting right now. Let's begin. Podcast title: Daily Conversations You Must Know to Speak English Naturally. English Listening.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Bridge, the podcast that helps you speak English naturally in real daily life. I'm Tom.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're learning daily conversations you must know to sound natural in English.
These are simple phrases you can use every day, at home, at work, with friends, anywhere.
Conversation topic 1: Greetings. Let's start with greetings. Tom, how do you say hello in a friendly way?
Easy. Hey, how's it going?
You can reply, I'm good, thanks. And you?
Short, natural, perfect.
Conversation topic 2: Asking for help. Sometimes you need help. Here's a useful phrase. Excuse me, can you help me?
Or if you didn't understand something, you say, sorry, could you repeat that?
Conversation topic 3: Ordering food.
Okay, Emma, imagine we're in a cafe.
Great, I'll order first. Hi, can I have a coffee, please?
And I say, I'd like a sandwich, please.
Don't forget please. Very important in English. Conversation topic 4: Small talk.
Small talk means easy conversation with people you don't know well.
You can ask simple questions like, where are you from? What do you do? Do you like your job?
These questions help you start a friendly conversation.
Conversation topic 5: Expressing feelings. Here are some easy ways to talk about how you feel. I'm happy today. I'm tired. I'm excited. I'm a little stressed.
Simple, real, human English.
Conversation topic 6: Making plans.
Let's make plans. Try these. Do you want to hang out? Are you free this weekend?
Or, if you can't, sorry, I'm busy. Maybe another time.
Mini practice. Shadowing.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us. How's it going? Can you help me? Can I have a coffee, please? I'm tired today. Are you free tomorrow?
Great job. Speaking out loud is the best practice.
We hope today's daily conversations help you speak more naturally in English.
Try one of these phrases today with someone you know, or even with yourself.
Thank you for listening to English Bridge Podcast.
Keep practicing English every day.
And see you next time. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe to English Bridge for more easy and fun English practice. I'd also love to hear from you. Write your questions or suggestions in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer and help you.